Jumper 31, Key West, Florida.
Stunt Jumper 31, Key West, Florida. You got conditions all over Utah. Don't worry about a thing, you got that swing out there. Stunt Jumper 31 to Key West, Red Dragon 584, trying to make the trip your way.
I'm off the map, get to 21, let me get right back.
Stunt Jumper 31, yep, we heard you trying to get it right back. Mother Nature dipped out for a second there, but you sounding good across the band once again. Stunt Jumper 31, Red Dragon 584, down here in these salty mines of Utah, waving a hand again. Jumper 31, Mother Nature raising that skirt up and down. She jumping all over the place, my friend. She don't want to stay steady on this diesel wagon, my friend. Stunt Jumper 31, if you got a sloppy copy, Red Dragon 584 with its 18 wheels of steel running across the salty mines of Utah, waving your way again. Stunt Jumper 31, yeah, Mother Nature faded way down there that time, my friend. Mother Nature faded right on out that time, my friend, but I heard you trying to wave back, but it got rough and tough out there, my friend. Thanks for waving once again. Hope I can make the trip on that end. Stunt Jumper 31, we're going to have to wait till a little later because Mother Nature, she raised the skirt up and then she flipped it right on back down again. Red Dragon 584 says, I hope you got a copy and we go on again.
Fade away. I'm going to try and grab Mother Nature around the waist and hold it tight to me, but I don't know if I can. Old Stunt Jumper 31, southernmost station in Key West, Florida.
Stunt Jumper 31, you grabbed her around the waist a little bit that time, my friend. I heard what you said. You tried to grab her around the waist. Well, you did a good job that time. You grabbed her around the waist a little bit that time, my friend. Because she trying to get away from both of us, my friend. She don't like neither one of us on this end. Stunt Jumper 31, Red Dragon 584, trying to grab a hold of Mother Nature and send it right back your way today, my friend. Stunt Jumper, Stunt Jumper, Stunt Jumper. Red Dragon 584 says, grab Mother Nature again. You grabbed her a minute ago. Hey, if you can grab hold of Mother Nature, we trying to wave your way again, my friend. Stunt Jumper 31, Red Dragon 584 says, check, check, and we go on again.